Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to our challenge of day 3, where I'm taking an eBay store that's currently making $0 and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 every single month. Now, yesterday we had 33 active listings. Today I've gone ahead and listed new additional 31 listings, totaling it up to 64 active listings that are currently running on our store. Let's go to our performance tab and check traffic. Now, one thing to note is today across all of my eBay stores, in case you guys didn't know, I run multiple eBay stores, the sales was extremely slow. When I see this at a large scale, I can usually tell that this is not an account related issue, rather it's a market related issue, meaning less people are shopping online and less people are shopping on eBay. Okay. Now, as I suspected, the traffic was literally 10 times less in comparison to yesterday. Okay. And that's probably going to be reflected onto views, which is 10 views today, and yesterday we had a lot more. Now, in your selling journey online, what you're going to experience is fluctuation is going to be a real thing. Okay, so meaning that one day is not going to be equivalent to the next day. Okay, some days you're going to sell a lot of items, some days you're not going to sell a lot of items. Now, times matter, days matter, month matter, even the season that you're in matters. Okay, for example, if you're in Q1, which is basically the month between January and March, your sales are going to be a lot slower than if you're in Q4, which is towards the end of the year, right? Especially on December, when it's Boxing Day, when it's Lightning Deals Day, right? People are going to be spending a lot more than they would have had at the start of the year. Now, if you've been catching to what I was telling you, usually people will shop a lot more, and then it will skyrocket, and then boom, it will plummet the next following month. Okay, so this is a very, very normal thing. You're going to come across this in your dropshipping journey. One thing to note is, do not, okay, now I'm going to emphasize that, do not benchmark, okay, do not judge your store hyper focusing on one day or even a week. Okay, what you want to do is you want to compare it to the other eBay dropshipping stores and use that as a benchmark and take an average of your store in a larger timeline. Okay, so if you see yourself above that benchmark, that usually means that you have a good business running for you. If you see below it, that means that your dropshipping store could improve. Okay, moving on, our impression in the last 30 days was 6,029. Okay, that's been going up. However, that's because we are listing more. Okay, that's expected. And that 6,029 views, eyeballs, I mean, the impressions, has reflected onto 333 views. Okay, so you have people that are seeing your listing around 6,029 times. Okay, obviously different people, and then that converts into 333 individuals clicking on your listing. Okay, they checking your listing. Okay, now as you can see, this store has an exceptional click-through rate, 3.3. If you're based in USA, your click-through rate may be anywhere between 1% to 2.1%. If you're based in Australia, your click-through rate may be between 1.5% all the way to 2.8%. Now, if you're in Australia, again, your conversion rate is going to be a lot higher in comparison to if you're in America, because Australian people are less of a window shopper in comparison to Americans on average. Now, one thing to note, as I told you, that this is expected that our impressions are going to go up, which then converts into our listing views going up, which then converts into our sales, right? So what I'm going to do tomorrow is, as I've stated in this at the start of the challenge, I'm going to double down every day. Tomorrow, I'm going to be listing 64 new listings, and that's going to be obviously driving our traffic up. Okay, we're going to start getting attraction. Each day that we start listing more items, each day we're going to get a lot more views, and eventually we are going to get a sale very soon. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned.